Good evening, everybody. I am Jayashree. I am going to take logistic regression, which is under the topic of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is fundamentals of machine learning. Okay, so let us see what do you mean by logistic regression. Before that, we have seen the linear regression, right? So linear regression is nothing but it forms the relationship between the dependent and independent variable. Okay. Whereas in logistic regression is the supervised learning algorithm which is used to predict the categorical variables or discrete variables. Okay. It can be used for the classification problems in machine learning, and the output of the logistic regression algorithm can be either yes or no and 0 or 1 or red or blue. Which means that the best example is what traffic signal, right? Or else a verb will be right. Either it is yes or no, binary output, yes or no or 0 or 1. So this logistic regression gives the output as yes or no, that is 0 and 1. This is what the discrete values. Okay. It can be either yes or no or 0 or 1 or red or blue, etc. So it is a supervised learning algorithm which is used to predict the categorical variables or discrete values. This is what the logistic regression. Okay. Next one is what logistic regression predicts the output of the categorical dependent variables. Okay. So for example, we have that categorical values yes or no or true or false or 0 or 1. Whatever may be the values, there are only the two possible binary values, right? This logistic regression is much similar to linear regression except that how they used. Okay, linear regression is used for solving regression problems, whereas logistic regression is used for solving the classification problems, which is very important point. Linear regression is used for solving regression problems, whereas logistic regression is used for solving the classification problems. Okay, so this logistic regression is very much similar to the linear regression except that how it can be used. The main application of the logistic regression is what? Classify the problems. That's classification of the problems. Okay, so for example, let us see the logistic regression. We have to see with the graph, right? So this is what this S-type curve graph. Okay, this forms the S curve, and this point is nothing but the threshold value, and below the threshold value y is equal to 0.3 and above the threshold value y equal to 0.8. So logistic regression can be used to clarify the observations with different types of data and can easily determine the most effective variables used for the classification. Okay. In logistic regression, instead of fitting the regression line, we can fit a S-shaped logistic function which predict the two maximum values. That is what here S-shape. This predict the two maximum values, and in the center value is nothing but the threshold value. This is what in the graph. Okay. The curve from the logistic regression indicates the likelihood of something such as whether the cells are cancerous or not, or a mouse is obvious or not, are based on this weight. Okay. Logistic regression is a significant machine learning algorithm because it has the ability to provide the probabilities and classify new data using continuous and discrete data sets. Okay. This is what the logistic regression, which can be used in continuous or discrete data sets. Okay. So here this from the lower end it indicates 0 and the upper end it is 1, in the middle it is 0.5. This curve indicates this y equal to 0, y equal to 0.8. This S-type curve indicates that this forms this two maximum values, that is one is below the threshold value, one is above the threshold value. That can be easily determine the most effective variables used for the classifications. Okay. So finally I will conclude that what I mean by logistic regression, it is one of the supervised learning algorithm which is used to predict the categorical variables or discrete variables. It can be used for the classification problems in machine learning, The output of the logistic regression can either be yes or no, or 0 or 1, or red or blue, etc. So finally, instead of dealing with the single line, we are going with the S-type curve. That is what the logistic regression. So thank you all.